Hi, I'm Richard Morse, and welcome to the Morse Code. I've been renovating and flipping houses here in the New Haven County, Connecticut area for almost 25 years. Most of the time, I'm involved in whole house renovations from top to bottom, literally everything. All right, you told me the cabinets were coming on Tuesday. Today is Thursday.
That's right.
Being delivered is not the same as being installed. Nobody flips houses like I do. I've been doing this for 25 years and I've got the vision and the magic touch, the Morse Code touch. I consistently get top dollar in my market. I flip house after house after house and I know exactly what people want and I give it to them. Right now this house is going to go on the market and hopefully will sell real quick. It better, because I've got 4 more projects that we're starting. The winter has finally broken and I've got the crews lined up and we've got 4 houses. So check in next week as we break ground and get started.
Now that Rich is out in the car taking a call, which he does to me all the time, like my time is useless, and he's out there fucking doing something while I stand around here pedaling my hand with a stick waiting for him to come back, we could just have a little discussion about him. Rich is one of the greatest guys in the world to work with. But as a gay customer, he is out of control.
How are the floors not done? So all you did was the freaking stairs.
All we did was the stairs.
Oh my God. I was all excited thinking that the floors were done. Now we're another week away on here.
No, we're not another week away on here.
Oh my God.
Listen, this stuff here is not... If I refinish this, it's on you.
What do you mean it's on me?
These
This
floors
will come out and look just like the stairs.
I know, but this stuff like this, Rich, is gonna have gaps and shit in it.
I know it's gonna have
I'm
gaps.
just telling you, all this stuff that you see like this here, we're gonna put putty in here. We'll put some putty in here. But this stuff that you see, like this weird shit like this isn't gonna clean up like you think it's gonna clean up.
It's gonna look like the stairs. It'll be fine.
I'm just telling you, these
It'll
gaps.
be fine.
I'm just telling you, these gaps that you...
It'll be fine.
You hear that?
Just do it. You hear that? Cha-ching, cha-ching. That's money. Let's hope it's money coming into my pocket and not going out.
Grandma.
Rolling.
Tasso loves to complain about these floors. He does this all the time. I don't even know how many times we've done floors just like this. They come out beautiful. He likes to be so freaking dramatic all the time.
I don't know why he brings me to see these houses. He already knows what, as soon as he walks in, what he wants to do to the house. On my only day off, I could be sitting at home with a glass of wine watching the Food Network.
This is the first time I've used this paint color, this gorgeous blue. I am living for this blue color. Love it, love it, love it. I'm living for this color and I'm dying to get the house on the market, so apparently, I don't know if I'm dead or alive.
You know, this guy tells me one thing, I'm only as good as what my subs and electricians and plumbers. If the plumber and electricians say they're going to be here on Tuesday, and I text you and say, plumber and electricians are going to be here on Tuesday, and they don't show up, it makes me look bad, but I can only tell you these things as far as what they tell me.
Because Richie, he don't like this.
Tasso did it to me again on his back deck. He loves to dig through the warehouse and get all the leftover paint. Look at this hideous color he did here. I am definitely going to have to get him back over here and paint this out so it matches the house. I overpaid for this house. I bought it at a time when I was a little desperate, just wrapped up a bunch of jobs and didn't have anything else coming up. So I paid $97,000 for this flop. As it turned out, I had to go back and redo almost everything the previous guy had done. The electrical was all bad, was burned out, stuff was wired incorrectly, the boiler was installed improperly, the plumbing was messed up. We had to go back and start all over. So I definitely overpaid. I paid $97,000. I put about 50 grand in on the rehab, plus I have my carrying costs, mortgage payments. I got to pay a commission at the end. I'm bumping up my asking price to $225,000. It's a little bit high, but I hope that the house came out so nice that it will sell. I'm dying to get it on the market to see what the reaction is, because ultimately it's the buyers who determine the price. We're starting the staging over here at the William Street house, and Julio showed up late for work today, so as his punishment, I picked the heaviest dresser out of storage to get in here.
Okay.
De arriba en cuarto enfrente, de arriba, tenga cuidado.
Que tenga, lo vamos a poner arriba. Pero tú tienes que decir, necesito ayuda. Porque no puedo.
Necesito ayuda, no
Tenga
puedo
cuidado.
subir.
Ahí,
Cierra la puerta.
al
Alza-
piso, al piso.
Ok.
Ya ni lo
Sí.
tienes que ladear más. Hacia mí.
Ok.
This will teach him to show up for work on time next time. Remember that fight I had with Tasso about the floors? Look how they came out. Absolutely spectacular. I know what I'm talking about. And in this master bedroom, we added this walk-in closet. We created it. It wasn't here. This was an alcove. Now I've made it into a beautiful, functional walk-in closet for the master bedroom. That's what every buyer is gonna want, and you never see them in old houses like this.